Some places just have a way of calling you back, don't they? Waimea Valley is one of those places for us. No matter how many times we visit, it always feels like the first time. A place where nature, history, and peace collide. And this time it was even more special because we were celebrating Matias's birthday. So join us as we explore this slice of Hawaiian paradise and stick around for some jaw-dropping drone footage and a taste of aloha. Yes, we are back here. This is such a beautiful place.
Yeah, these botanical gardens are the best.
Yep. This is a must visit for sure if you're in Oahu. No matter how many times we've been here, it's like always the first time.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Never get tired of it.
Yes. As soon as we stepped into Waimea Valley, we were reminded why this place is such a treasure. This isn't just another tourist spot, it's a sanctuary. The lush tropical vegetation greets you like an old friend, yet every time it feels new, like discovering a secret garden all over again. We've been here so many times, but somehow it always surprises us. This time, we decided to take it slow, soaking in every sound, every scent, and every moment. The hike to the falls was nothing short of magical. Imagine walking through a living painting, towering canopy trees arching above you, their branches swaying gently in the cool breeze. The air was so clean you could practically taste it. Around us, streams trickled and danced over rocks, and the cheerful songs of native birds filled the valley. Every step felt like a step back in time, offering glimpses of early island living, with its ancient taro patches and cultural sites preserved for generations to come. And when we finally reached the waterfall, it was breathtaking. Cascading water spilling into a serene pool surrounded by tropical greenery is one of those places that makes you stop and just be. We stood there hand in hand, appreciating the peace. It felt like time stood still for a moment, as if the valley itself was celebrating Matias's birthday with us. And the walk back from the waterfall was just as enchanting as a journey there. But this time we took the road less traveled. Instead of following the main path, we found ourselves wandering through natural vine trellises that created an almost magical canopy overhead. The vines twisted and curled, forming intricate patterns that felt like nature's artwork, with soft light streaming through the gaps and dancing on the ground. We ventured off the beaten path to explore even more. There were smaller trails that led to hidden corners of the valley, little pockets of serenity where streams whispered and moss-covered rocks seemed untouched by time. We stopped to admire flowers we hadn't noticed before, their colors popping against the deep greens of the jungle. It felt like the valley was rewarding our curiosity with these secret moments, as if it wanted us to know there's always more to discover if you take the time to look. Every step was peaceful, almost meditative. We felt so connected to the earth, the air, and the spirit of the island. It wasn't just a walk, it was a journey inward, reminding us how beautiful it is to slow down and truly be present. By the time we made it back to the entrance, we felt renewed, like we had left a little piece of ourselves in the valley and taken a little piece of its magic with us. As we wrapped up our day, we launched our drone to capture the breathtaking beauty of Waimea Valley from above. From the sky, the lush green canopy seemed to stretch endlessly, dotted with vibrant tropical flowers and the shimmering streams weaving their way through the landscape. Flying the drone gave us a whole new appreciation for the natural wonder of Waimea Valley, and we can't wait to look at them over and over again. Those shots are just stunning, and they will never leave us. Our visit to Waimea Valley was more than just a day of exploration. It was a journey inward, walking through the lush trails, standing in awe of the waterfall, and taking in the valley's timeless beauty reminded us of life's simple but profound joys. The peace we felt surrounded by nature, the quiet moments of reflections, and the sense of gratitude for this special day, especially celebrating Matias's birthday, were deeply grounding. It's in places like these that we're reminded to slow down, breathe, and connect with the world and each other. Waimea isn't just a destination, it's a feeling, a sanctuary that leaves you carrying a piece of its magic long after you leave. After leaving the valley, we made our way to Waimea Beach Park. The waves were gentle, the sand warm beneath our feet, and the ocean stretched out endlessly before us. It was one of those moments where you feel so small but so connected to the world. Waimea Beach Park is famous for its breathtaking natural beauty and thrilling surf. Known as one of Oahu's iconic spots, it's a haven for both relaxation and adventure. During the winter months, the park is a legendary destination for big wave surfers, with waves reaching heights of up to 30 feet. In the summer, the water is calm, offering pristine conditions for swimming and snorkeling. Surrounded by golden sands, it captures the essence of Hawaii's stunning coastline and adventurous spirit. And of course, no trip to this part of the island is complete without stopping at the famous shrimp trucks. There's something so satisfying about sitting outside, peeling garlic shrimp with your hands, and letting the flavors transport you. It's simple, it's messy, and it's perfect. Our final stop was the Dole Plantation, and let me just say, this place never disappoints. As we walked through rows upon rows of vibrant pineapple fields, the sweet scent of the fruit filled the air. We couldn't resist trying the famous pineapple ice cream. One little bite and it's clear why it's iconic. Flying our drone above the plantation's mazes and gardens was a highlight. The view is absolutely stunning. Golden fields stretching to meet the turquoise ocean. Watching the footage later, we couldn't help but feel so grateful for this day, this island, and the spirit of aloha. There's something about Hawaii that just fills your heart. As the sun set on this unforgettable day, we couldn't stop reflecting on how special it was. Celebrating Matias's birthday, surrounded by such beauty, reminded us to slow down, breathe, and appreciate life's simple joys. Waimea Valley and the North Shore hold that kind of magic that you can't describe. You just have to feel it and experience it. If you've never been, we hope this inspires you to visit. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and watch videos of our other adventures. Until next time, aloha and mahalo for watching.